Hi friends, myself Dikinarli working as an assistant professor in Gopal Krishna Gokul College, Kolhapur. Today going to discuss chemistry paper number 16, industrial chemistry. Topic in industrial chemistry topic number is last nanotechnology. Outline of this topic: introduction of nanotechnology, history, classification of nanoparticle based on size. Second point, optical properties of nanomaterials. First, semiconducting nanoparticle. Second, metallic nanoparticles. Third point, synthetic routes of nanomaterials. Top down and bottom up approaches. Fourth point, synthesis of methods. First synthesis method is Sol-Gel method, precipitation method, chemical reduction, chemical vapor deposition, hydrothermal electrodeposition. Fifth point, characterization of nanomaterial, X-ray diffractometer, electron microscope. In electron microscope, two methods, scanning electron microscope and transmission electron microscope, and last is the application of nanotechnology. Introduction: nano is 10 raised to minus 9 meter. Nanomaterial are commonly defined as material with particle size in between 1 to 100 nanometer in one of the dimension, that is 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 9 meter. Nano means, as a Greek word, nano means nanus, Latin words, and indicating person very low height, that is dwarf. Example: protein size is 5 nanometer, DNA size is 10 nanometer, blood vessel pore is 20 to 50 nanometer, carbon nanotube 50 nanometer, and human hair diameter is 5000 nanometer. Nano means novel, A means approaches, N means new, and O is opportunity. These scientists here mean there is plenty at the bottom, means the small atom contain large space, says the Feynman. And what is nanotechnology? Creation of functional material, device and system through control of nanoscale material, that is the 1 to 100 nanometer, exploiting novel properties and phenomenon at the all length of scale. That is in means nanotechnology mainly consists of processing, separation, consolidation, and deformation of material by one atom or by one molecule. Milestone in nanomaterial: first 1955 synthetic diamond, 1959 R. Feynman delivers the plenty of room at the bottom, 1974 first molecular electronic device patented, 1981 scanning tunneling microscope STM, 1985 buckyballs, that is fullerene C60 discovered at the Rice University, 1986 atomic force microscopy AFM invented, 1987 first single electron transistor created, 1991 carbon nanotube discovered, 2000 US launches national technology initiatives, and 2001 to 2 ITRI Nano Research Center established. This is the milestone of the nanomaterial. Classification of nanomaterial: nanostructures, that is the classification of one dimensional nanotubes, nanowires, that is nanowire one dimension, nanocrystals and quantum dot, other nanoparticle, that is a bulk particle. The quantum dots, the color of the quantum dots, diamonds, fullerene, C16 fullerene, and carbon nanotube. The morphology of the nanowires, nanomaterial, zero dimension, fullerene, quantum dots, and ring and atomic clusters. A one dimension material, nanotube, fiber and filaments, whiskers and belts, spirals and springs. Two dimensional, nanodisk and nanolayers. Three dimensional, embedded cluster and equiaxed crystallites. In classification of nanomaterial, nanoscale material are divided into three categories: zero dimension, length, breadth and height are confined at single point. Shown in figure A. For example, nanodots, nanoparticle. Second, one dimension, it has only one parameter, length or breadth. Or example, nanowire and nanotubes. Two dimension, it has only two parameter, either length or breadth or height. Example, very thin surface coating, that is the thin surface coating on this mesh or nickel foam. Three dimension, it has all parameter of length, breadth and height. For example, the crystal, that is the crystal shown in figure. This is the classification of nanomaterials: zero dimension, one dimension, two dimension and three dimension. Optical properties of nanomaterial. Optical property of the material is nothing but interaction of light with matter, particularly when a matter is exposed to electromagnetic radiation. Various changes in the properties of the material can be exhibited. Two type of optical properties. First, a semiconducting nanoparticle, that is NPS. In case of conductor, the valence band and conduction band overlap on each other. In case of insulator, valence band and conduction band are separated by a large energy gap, so they cannot conduct the electric current at room temperature. Third, in semiconductor, the valence band and conduction band are separated by some finite energy gap. Depending upon material, electron from valence band acquire sufficient energy to overcome the energy gap either by thermal excitation and absorption of photon. Electron passes from valence band to conduction band. A hole is left behind and the electron hole pair is formed in the particle. The electron hole pair is called as a exciton. That is, photon absorption by semiconducting material lead to formation of exciton. That is, exciton is the bound state of an electron and hole. In semiconductor, conduction band is electron absorb the photon of light in the excite electron to create in conduction band hole, and the electron is excited to conduction band hole is created by valence band. The binding is due to electrostatic, that is Coulombic attraction. The exciton has lower energy than unbound electron hole. When electron hole pair is tightly bound, then the distance between exciton and hole is comparable to lattice constant. This type of exciton is called a Frankel exciton, while the exciton having larger electron hole turn separation compared to lattice constant is called a Mott-Wiener exciton. This is the free exciton which can be moved in the crystal, freely move in the crystal. The energy of such exciton is slightly less than the energy gap Eg. between valence band and conduction band. Eg can be defined as the energy necessary to create free hole and free electron. Metallic nanoparticles NPS, colored glass which has used in old churches and palaces was prepared by mixing small amount of metal particle like gold, silver, cobalt, iron, nickel, etc. Such glasses were having different color and red, pink, green, blue, etc. depend upon the metal particle mixed. Actually, these were metal nanoparticle. Michael Faraday in 1857 prepared a stable colloidal solution of gold which has red in color. An attempt to explain why nanoparticle of the same substance but different size have different color was made by the scientist G. Mai in 1908. Interaction of light with matter. Optical property is nothing but interaction of electromagnetic radiation with matter. When light is incident on solution of particle, it may be absorbed, may be transmitted or scattered. According to my theory, phenomenon can be explained as when electromagnetic radiation is incident, the spherical particle of uniform size distributed uniformly embedded, that is fixed in the medium. A part of light may be absorbed, a part of light may be transmitted, and part of light may be scattered. It is observed that when white is incident solution of nanoparticle, a decreases in intensity of light takes place. The decrease in intensity is due to excitation of light. In nanoparticle, metallic nanoparticle, the surface plasma resonance by the example of a gold particle. The when nanoparticle is much smaller than the wavelength of light, coherent oscillation, that is the oscillation of the metal, the oscillation, that is electron cloud, slightly small oscillation, the green color is electron cloud, and this metal sphere due to electric field. Oscillation of the conduction band electron induced by interaction with electromagnetic field. This resonance is called as a surface plasma resonance. Figure schematic plasma oscillation for sphere showing the displacement of the conduction of electron charges cloud relatively to the small nucleus. The surface plasma resonance, particularly gold nanoparticle, are very strong absorber of visible light because resonance conduction is achieved when light incident on the surface of the gold particle due to electric field of the light. Electron cloud of nanoparticle is oscillation coherently relative to the atomic background. This condition of resonance is known as surface plasma resonance, that is the SPR. Surface plasma resonance in gold particle AU nanoparticles, the electron of the particle are represented by the halo, that is the previous diagram shows one of the oscillation of the gold black color and green colored electron cloud is slightly oscillate or move from the metal sphere. The oscillation about AU atom are represented by the black. In general, the interaction between incident light and particle can be characterized in terms of its excitation, means the light is removed from the incident beam. There are two processes which remove the light from beam, that is absorption and scattering. The beam of light excites the loose bound surface electron to form a surface plasma resonance, which itself generates heat and in which remove the light has gone into absorption. It also acts as dipole shaking at the frequency of light and itself becomes on of the source of light. In this case, remote light is converted into scattering light. Both the processes are useful in medicine. Scattering of light become visible in optical microscope due to position of can be determined. Heat generated by absorption can be used further treatment called hyperthermia. The excitation by the particle depends not only on the optical properties of material but on the optical properties of medium in which it is disrupted. We can say that for larger nanoparticle the position that is the wavelength SPR peak is independent. Thank you for watching and listening.